Hello, I'm Catherine Coop. I have been a nurse for about 18 years. I started out as an LPN and worked with terminally ill children in home health care. I then moved on to long-term care and skilled nursing, and then I worked in a transitional care hospital through an agency. I got my RN in 2012 and worked at a school as a school nurse, which I loved. And then I became a manager with Bon Secours at Maryview Nursing Care Center. I managed a 60-bed unit for 3 years, and then decided that the responsibility of being a manager and the time that you have to put in got to be a little bit too much once I started working on my BSN. I was basically working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and getting phone calls day and night. So I went to the CBT step-down unit at Maryview Medical Center and started working 3 12-hour shifts full time while I was doing my classes for my bachelor's. And last June I decided to go to the Bon Secours float pool tier 2. So I worked through the float pool, and I work at DePaul, Mary Immaculate, and Maryview Medical Center. And then I have been working under contract back at CBT Step Down at Maryview, and that's what I'm doing right now, but I'm still on the float pool. I have been with Bon Secours since June of 2013, and I really love working with Bon Secours. And if I had one superpower, it would probably be to have the ability to have world peace and to make everyone get along. And that's it. I look forward to meeting all of you, and good luck with everything. I'm excited about our upcoming graduation in May. Bye-bye.